Hey guys, it's Riana from the Penson Public Library, and today we're gonna make some healthy and fun snacks together. It's time to go back to school, so these could be some good snacks that you could have when you get home or just whenever. So before we get into cooking, what is something that you always need to do before you start cooking? Wash your hands. So to get started, we're gonna do a song together about washing your hands, and then we'll meet back here and start making our food. So this song goes to the same tune as Row Your Boat, if you know that song, and it goes like this. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there, wash them in between. Wash, wash, wash your hands, play our handy game. Rub and scrub, scrub and rub. Germs go down the drain. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Play our handy game. Scrub and rub and scrub. Germs go down the drain. Great job, you guys. Now that our hands are all clean, let's get to cooking some snacks.
So today we're going to make 5 different animal themed snacks. They can all be made with either a piece of toast or a rice cake, some fruit, and something like peanut butter or Nutella, cream cheese, some kind of spread like that. And we can make all of them using just a plastic knife, so it'll be nice and safe. The only thing you might need a real knife for would be to remove the skin from the kiwi fruit, which you can get a parent to help you with that. So first we're going to make a monkey toast, and we'll just start by spreading some Nutella or peanut butter, whichever you want, on your piece of toast in a circle. And then our monkey's gonna have some blueberry eyes. So we'll just add our eyes onto his face. All right, and then now we need to cut up a few slices of banana to make the rest of our monkey. So you'll just cut a slice and then cut that slice in half. And that's gonna be our monkey mouth. Then we're gonna cut another slice and go ahead and cut that slice in half too. And those are gonna be the monkey ears. And there you go. Next, let's make our fox toast. So we're going to start with a piece of toast again. And this time I'm going to use some peanut butter. And you're just going to spread it into the shape of a triangle at the top of your fox's head. Then we can take just some normal cream cheese or any kind of cream cheese you want and spread it on the rest of the toast around the triangle that we made. And now we're going to get our banana back out and cut some more slices. And these are going to be for our eyes. Then we can just take some blueberries and put them in the middle of the banana. And one more blueberry for the nose. All right, and you can leave your fox just like that, or you can add some strawberries for the ears if you would like I did here. All right, so far we've made a monkey and a fox. So next let's do a sea creature. Let's do a sea turtle. So first we'll start with a round rice cake and spread peanut butter all over the top of it. Then we're going to take a separate plate to put some of our grapes on and cut them in half. And we just need enough half grapes to cover the top of our turtle shell. All right, once you get a whole bunch cut up, we're just going to start placing them all over the top of our turtle. And you can do any kind of pattern you want and give them a nice pretty grape shell. And once you got that part done, this is where you need to ask a parent for some help just to get your kiwi peel off and your ends cut off on there. Then we can take our plastic knife again and cut our kiwi into some slices. And then cut those slices in half. And we're going to use one of these for the head. Then we're going to use 4 more halves to make 4 legs for our turtle to swim with. And lastly, we're going to make just a smaller little skinny cut of kiwi to use for our turtle tail. Now we just need to add some eyes, and I used some raisins for my turtle's eyes. There's our turtle. Now we're going to make a bear. So we're going to take another round rice cake and we're going to coat the top with some more peanut butter just like we did last time. And then we're going to get our banana again. And can you guess what we're going to do with it? We're going to make some more slices. So we need 2 slices for his 2 ears. And then another round slice for his nose. And let's go ahead and add a little raisin on top of his nose too, for the very tip of his nose. And 2 raisin eyes. We have a very sleepy looking bear. And here is our last, our 5th animal. And we are going to make a cat. And I'm going to make a pink cat because my favorite cream cheese flavor is strawberry. So I'm just going to spread that cream cheese all on the top. Then I'm going to take some strawberries and cut those in half. Then you just want to cut off the top little round part of your strawberry so that you get a little thin slice that's in a triangle shape for your ears. And one of my ears had a little hole in the middle, so I just went ahead and cut another strawberry. You can make your ears however you want. Now let's take a little piece for the nose. So let's see, let's cut this into a triangle shape for the nose. There we go. Now we're going to take 2 more banana slices and use them for the eyes like we've done before. And add our blueberry on top. Okay, we just need to add some whiskers. So I'm going to make mine with grape. You can make yours with whatever you want. They just kind of need to be long and skinny like cat whiskers. And there's our cute little pink cat. Great job, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and making these after school snacks. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you'll join me next time when we cook together. Have a great day.